Hey YouTube, Jason here with Day Trading Fearless. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Make sure you guys hit the like and subscribe button. If you have any questions, feel free to just put them in the comments down below. And as always, let's jump right into it. So today's video is actually the ultimate market profile trade setup for Thinkorswim. Okay, so if you guys use Thinkorswim, this is and you love market profile, this might be the perfect layout for you guys. So what I'll do is I'll leave the link down below in the description. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of do a quick walkthrough of everything that's going on this chart to where it kind of gives you a really good picture if you like a market profile. So first thing over here, we have our active trader with a Thinkorswim. You could do bracket orders, buy market, sell market. I have my brackets at one point above, 1 point below. So let's say I'm looking at to short up at this 59.75 level. I could just go and put, and it's all one click, okay? If I want, I can also right click and trade directly off of the chart with a OCO bracket, however you want, right? You could create all that. Then this main screen is my famous 5-day, 5-minute market profile where I actually mark off the gaps, VPOCs, virgin points of control, and things like that. As you can see, all these gaps and VPOCs got filled, right? This got filled here, this one got filled here, this one got filled here, and then this one, depending where we open, and normally I don't do Friday's VPOCs because I have no clue where they're going to open. I wait until Monday morning and then I'll actually add that. And to do that, just right click, duplicate, bring this up, right, like this, and then boom, 13.75, and now we have a new virgin point of control that hasn't been touched yet, right? So Monday we need to see this price gap up, down, open right here, and then I'll add that usually in the morning. So but this chart is great. You have your value area high and low with your point of control over here, point of control, all your volume, and this is for all of this trading action, right? From this day, it's the last 5 trading days, right? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Probably come Monday morning, tomorrow morning, that guy will drop off, and this will be now the low. But we could see it because it changes on a daily basis because the very last one gets dropped off, right? But this is great, meaning, hey, if we come down, oh, look, right here we have the point of control for all these 5 days, right? We also have a point of control that's a virgin right here, point of control that hasn't been touched yet. So maybe this might be a really good level to get long. Over here, now just so you guys know, this is my today only 3-day, but because I'm doing this on the weekend, I actually am showing one day. So I'm showing Friday's action, but normally this will be a blank screen on the weekends because it doesn't start until the market opens at 6:30 a.m. over on the West Coast where I'm at. But so let's say we're kind of midday right now. I could say, okay, hey, I really like this 30.14 level, and then maybe over here we have the point of control here, right around the 30.14. So this point of control is lining up here with this, multiple things, right? And then over here, this is a 15-minute. Okay, normally I like to keep it on like 1 day or 2 days, right? But right now I've changed this to 5 days. So what this does is it shows the point of control, okay, for the last 5 days, and again, that's because it's Sunday evening. What's happening, and this is a extended trading hours. This one is a regular trading hours, and regular trading hours here, and we'll get to this. But here's a great example of, if let's say we open, well, look where the value area low is, right? Value area low is right around that 3014 level, 3013, right? So now we have multiple confluence levels all lining up right around this 3014 level. Okay, if the market was open. Also right here, these are Fibonacci's from high to low, the 38, 50, 61.8. So we have another thing here, right? So another thing is, let's say price starts falling, right? I can maybe look and say, hey, here's a untested, a virgin point or value area, right? Here's single print, right here. So maybe buyers step in. Look at this, right? We pulled all the way back right to this point of control over here, and we bounced. So maybe this is all you saw on this day, right? And then as price came down, boom, maybe you saw that and say, hey, let me get long for a bounce there, and that would have been nice, probably, what is it? Just from that bounce, based on that, almost 100-point rally. Go figure, right? So these are prior past is really good to be able to get these levels. And then finally, this is a daily chart, okay? Daily bars with market profile or volume profile, okay, over here. And again, point of control, value area high, value area low. If we kind of zoom in, we're coming up to on the daily chart, this 3126 is a value area, or the point of control where the most volumes traded over the past year of price action that we see, right? So this 3126 level, okay, might be a good level where, hey, maybe this is where the market starts to get short. Maybe you could sit there and trade Nadex, or you could look at the futures or options. Hey, if we get up around that level, maybe look for a 20, 30 point pullback potentially, right? Because we're now looking at the daily, so we want bigger levels of bigger things going on. So I hope this helps you guys. If you guys use Thinkorswim, what I'll do is I will share this chart setup. Again, it's going to look like this. We're going to do today only. Okay, just so you guys know, I'm going to leave this link so when you load it, if it's after market hours, not during regular trading hours, it'll look something very similar to this. I'll leave this at 5 days if you want to change it to maybe 1 day, 2 days, where you see yesterday and today. I also like this, but you get more past action the other way. So what I'll do is I'll leave it at 5 days. For you guys, what I'll do is I'll leave all these, actually, I'm going to take all these off just so you guys don't have to do it on your own, okay? Because I'm always updating them just based off this chart. So all you need to do, grab your price line, do something like this, right click, okay? Name it. Maybe you go VPOC, right? And then you could change it to 301350. We'll say you want to come here, solid line, change it to yellow, and extension, right and left should both be on. Show name, we'll show the name on the right hand side, and we'll show price on the left hand side. It'll look something very similar to that. So now you could start to do your own. And then if you want to add like a new day, just click on duplicate, bring it down, right click, and you could adjust this to be exactly at 75 like that. and you're all set. So I hope this video helps you guys. Again, I'll leave a link down below. Hopefully this platform for people who trade market profile and really kind of want everything all in one place on one chart. What I'll do is I'm going to share, this is my flex grid too, just so you guys know. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to share this, and I will leave it in the link down below. So until next time, we'll talk to you soon. Thank you.